Okay, this is going to be how to use Audacity to make ringtones for your cell phone. You're going to go to Audacity's site and follow the instructions there to download it. If you're using Windows 7, you're going to download the beta version. But I'm going to open Audacity. Select a song that you want. And I usually zoom so I can view it by the seconds. And I've already made this video, tried to make it a few times and got interrupted. So I already know the part that I want, but you're going to play the song and pick a part that you want for your ringtone. So I'm just using the time select tool. Okay, now you're going to stop it. You're going to click edit and trim. And I like to move it back to the beginning because I'm not sure if it'll play if it's in the middle of the song, because when you trim it, it stays at the time that it's at. Okay, so this is about 19 seconds long, so that's not bad. Ringtones are about 15 to 20 seconds. So I'm going to play it and be sure of what I have picked. Okay, so that's good. Now, I usually select about half a second or so. And then you're going to click Effect. And of course this is the end right now, so I'm going to fade it out. And then go to the beginning. And like I said, about half a second. Select the time, Effect, and fade in. So you're going to play it, and I'm going to play it and be sure this is what I like. Oh, never mind. I'm going to start at the beginning and play it. Okay, so that's good. So you're going to click File, Export, and then it says the ... so export ... You're going to select a place that you want to save it to, and I'm going to label this one ringtone or RT. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is lower the quality, and how you'll do that is click Options right under the Save and Cancel button. So click Options, and this is the quality here, and you can pick what you want. I usually do about 64 kbps. I don't know what kbps stands for, but that's what I do. And then you'll click OK. I save it as an MP3 file, and I'm going to save it. Okay, and preview it. It'll open in Winamp. Okay, so that's good. So I'm going to close Audacity now that I have this exported and saved. Now what you're going to want to do is take this and put that on your phone. However you do it, I have a card reader and I just put it on my micro SD. If you don't have a micro SD, you may have a USB cable. You can use that, and then you'll just set it as your ringtone. So that was how to use Audacity, and I hope this was helpful.